Hello, YouTube. This is this review and everything is just over of how I end up having my little electrical bag set up. That's the purpose behind this, is to show my electrical bag and all that I keep in it and all that's in it. Let's start off with the big pocket. What I keep inside here is a multimeter. And that's what you're really supposed to have. You can check resistance, you can check continuity, and you can check to see about your outlets, to see if they're reading the right readings or not. This is just a simple Klein that I have. I highly recommend a good voltage tester. Highly recommend that. The next item that I have in here, a flashlight. You always need a flashlight. And you'll see here that I even have two flashlights. But with this one, this is a non-contact voltage tester. Is what this is. This is a non-contact voltage tester. It can detect low voltage or high voltage. But you got to be careful though with doing this, because these can read out a false negative or false positive if you're not careful about it. Another reason why I like it so much is because of the flashlight part of it. Something else I keep in here is a set of pliers. I like these ones. Yeah, I know you're supposed to keep a set of linesmans, but for some reason I like doing the smaller stuff. And I feel like I just get a better purchase with these things. I don't know why. And they also have the integrated like screw cutters on the side. They're not bad. Needle nose pliers I keep in here. Just the bare basics needle nose pliers. Then I keep a pair of side cutters. Whenever you're doing a lot of cutting of wire, I keep side cutters in here. That's it for the bigger pocket. Now going out to the sides. Start with right here. This is my DeWalt right angle attachment. This is for getting into small spaces with a screwdriver or with a drill, and it is impact rated. And what's neat about this thing is it goes right in here and you can use it with a screwdriver. That's actually pretty neat to me. I also keep a 11-in-1, or not 11-in-1, but a 6-in-1 type of screwdriver. Has different bits on it. I like it. I find it comes in pretty handy. And also at both of these ends here, they are, one's a 1/4 of an inch nut drive, and the other one could be a 5/16. It's really neat having these. I keep a bit extension in here, because you never know whenever you need to have a longer reach. These are really handy for that. I keep a small pry bar, because sometimes people like to paint the outside of their outlets, and this just makes it a lot easier to pull right out. I also keep in here another one that's a miniature version of a 6-in-1. That this is a 4-in-1, and it has the different sizes on it for flat and for Phillips #1. It's really neat and really handy to have it. I like it because of that reason. And then I also keep in here another type of non-contact voltage tester. But this one I use primarily for if the batteries get low on it and I'm changing out an outlet really quickly. It just tells me if it's hot or not. It doesn't tell you anything about the voltage or nothing. I keep a marker in here to label out different things, because some people don't like to label things the right way. Then I keep a pair of small wire strippers on me. I always keep a pair of these on me. I have the bigger ones and that, but I just feel as though this is for lightweight. This is for like hurry up, get it done type of scenario. And for this basic setup, it's not terrible. Then I keep a little mini stubby screwdriver in here, and I have all my bits that I keep in here. Of all the bits I keep in there, and I swap them out with impact rated because I like using my impact driver quite a bit. And plus, for some reason, they just fit a lot better in the screw heads. It's probably the way on how they're designed, but that's the way on how I like it. And you can just use it with your regular, ratcheting screwdriver here. Like, it's really neat. That's the reason why I like carrying them in there. Then I have an outlet tester. I like this one the best. This is the Klein one. It tells you everything you need to know about that outlet, and it reads you the voltage. Now, don't get this messed up. You still need to, with your voltage meter, you still need to check that as well. But this it's so simple, so basic. It tells you everything you need to know and then some. Another thing that I keep, a utility knife. You keep a utility knife in there. You never know about splicing out with Romex if you're going to need that or not. Then I keep over here, yes, I know this is for plumbing, but I don't know what I get myself into sometimes. And I just better to have it than not need it, than need it and not have it type of scenario. And I keep my electrical tape right there. Yeah, I know I probably should get different colors of them. But for this little guy right here, this Bauer, honestly, it's not that bad. There's not really much more I could say about this. Alrighty. I'm going to see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.